Hey everyone, Ellis Wears I here, and you're watching an episode of Ellis Wears. So on this episode, I will be unboxing a pair of sunglasses that I bought from Souk Sepia. And this is a black-owned company. I want to show you the shades that I first bought from them. Super cute. Very unique. I've gotten a lot of compliments on them when I wear them out and about. I really like them. And they came quick, didn't have to wait long for them, ordered them online. Ordering was super easy. And you know, like, that's saying something, because sometimes you order stuff and like 2 months, 3 months later, you're like, oh, okay, well, I guess they forgot about my little order. No, they came right away. So I was super excited about that. Real cute. Love them, real cute. Okay, I just realized I did not grab some scissors. Hopefully this won't be that hard to open up. So this will be this will be my first time seeing them in person. Ordered them online. Thought they were cute. Thought they were extremely different. Oh, what do we have in here? Oh, nothing. I thought there was something else inside there. That's fine. Okay. Little bubble wrap. Oh wow, I really like them. I think they're super cute. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. If these are brunch friendly, if these are dinner with the friends friendly, can I wear this to a family event? Or do you think all the aunties will be like, why do you have no on your face? Why? Can I wear this on a date? They are pretty sturdy. I love that color. So they have several different colors. They have blue, black, gray. I want to say this is more of a like a pinkish iridescent. Oh, now you're seeing my whole room. The reflection's showing. It's a little messy. It's a little messy. I've been busy. Anywho's, they have a ton of colors online, different colors online, and I thought this would be fun. Like, I can wear this in the summertime. I feel like I can still take these into the fall on those sunny days. Wintertime, we have some sunny days in the wintertime. Yeah. I feel like I could rock this in the wintertime. I like them because they're big too. I was afraid they were going to be small, but they're really big. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below. You can also follow me on Instagram for more videos. I will see you next time on another episode of Ellis Wears.